Hi, my name is Shuker from TOPdesk, and today we're going to be talking about why frameworks might be holding you back. But before we begin, remember to hit subscribe if you wanted to stay up to date on the latest service management trends, tips, and tricks. Frameworks such as Information Technology Infrastructure Library, or in short ITIL, can be extremely helpful for organizations looking to improve their processes. But often, people tend to focus too much on the guidelines and following these, whilst they should be focusing on how their organization actually works. Obviously, ITIL makes some great recommendations about IT service management. As general rules, service desks should be closing all calls in order to recategorize if necessary, keep communication consistent, and follow up on customer satisfaction, and so much more. These are great pillars to base your service desk on. But let's say your service desk consists of a single person. Would it be a good idea to double this person's workload for the sake of following these ITIL guidelines? Or maybe not all rules and guidelines are a good fit with working in your organization. So why try and force them in your daily work? No two organizations are alike, so why should their processes be? The fact is, all recommendations from frameworks should be taken with a pinch of salt. They're called frameworks. Not you must do exactly this or else works. In fact, ITIL itself addresses this as well. I'm sure every ITIL Foundation course attendee remember hearing about adopt and adapt on the very first day of the course. A framework can be a vital help as long as you realize there's a lot of room to improvise, improve, or invent within said framework. Sure, let's use these guidelines that we are given, but let's not use ITIL or any other framework for that matter as a holy book. And you have to make its guidelines work for the unique requirements of your own organization. Want more service management content? Check out the description box and hit the notification bell to receive updates every time we post.
All right, cool. You guys like it? Yeah? Cool. Then,
I want to sit.